Hey there, and welcome to another video of the Ultimate AutoCAD 2D tutorial. In this video, we will see how to customize AutoCAD into Classic Mode. That will help us to remove all the unnecessary tools and provide us with a neat workspace. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, click on this arrow, then click on the Show menu bar. After that, the first thing you will see is this menu bar. OK? Now click on Tools, then Palettes and click on the ribbon. Then you will see the ribbon menu has disappeared. If you want to bring it back, follow the same process. As we are setting it to the Classic Mode, we are going on without ribbon. Now click on the Tools again, then the Toolbars, AutoCAD. Here are plenty of toolbars that you can add, but we are not going to go over it all. We are just going to go with these 5 toolbars. Standard, Layers, Draw, Modify, and Dimension. Just click on these toolbars one by one. You can simply repeat this process, or you can right-click here in this empty space and you will find these same options. While working, these toolbars can accidentally move from their place. So, we are going to lock their positions. To do that, right-click on this empty space. Then lock Location, All, and click on Locked. As you can see, these are the extra options that we don't need. So, we are going to remove these. Click on this arrow and unmark all these options. Then, they all will be removed. To remove this, you will need this command. I will give it to the description box. Just copy it and repeat what I do. Now, you need to save this workspace. To do that, click on Tools, Workspaces, and click on Save Current as. I'm going to save it as AutoCAD Classic. You can give it any name and click on Save, OK? If this video helped you, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for sticking with us. See you in the next video.